Hello lovely friends, welcome to this galaxy pour a million miles away. I wanted to do a galaxy pour just to show how connected we all are to space and to bring the wonder and awe into our lives this week. Just have a little look at these paint colours now, all metallics. So I've brought two pots together to pour out some Oxide black, Amsterdam of course on the base for today, and you can see my little reflection there, hello. So as I was creating today, I was just thinking about the different colours that you get in the galaxy, that wonderful system of stars and dust and interstellar gas, all that matter flying around. And I often feel in awe when I look up at the stars at night. Sometimes a bright star will appear and I think it might be a satellite, and I just, like so many people on this earth, probably every one of us has thought about the galaxy in some way. So I thought I'd use these colours to see how it would turn out. So as you can see now, I'm layering down the colours side by side and they're blending very slightly next to each other. I adore this copper. The bronze is a new colour, I haven't played with that one before. But the cobalt blue is also a new colour today. And the garnet red is one of my favourites. I'm getting a bit excited now and I'm pouring, so rather than a line I'm just doing some squiggles because I want a slightly different pattern on each side. As if you've got sort of two planets coming together, or two streams of interstellar dust or whatever it is that's circular in space. I was almost imagining that as I was putting down the colours. So I'm just going to finish these colours now and use my palette knife, my new palette knife, which is a cake icing spreader, to just make some swipes through here. There's quite a lot of gold in here, but the gold that I'm using is the 24 karat gold, and I know it can disappear into a black background, and it's not a very bossy colour. So let's just see what happens with these swipes now. Just adding a bit more gold because I know that when that gold is on the black in itself, it actually looks a bit like stardust. I've just spread the gold. I pick up the black base and spread the gold there all the way through the colours. That's a pretty one, I really like that. So it's beginning to take the direction and form that I like, and can you see some of those cells popping up? So I'm just going to leave you for a little while now as I continue to swipe, and then I'm going to add some extra black paint to ease the flow around these colours, and then just do some tilting for a while, and I'll just let you enjoy, just leave you while you enjoy the rest of this painting, and I'll come back towards the end to see what you think about the dry result. So now I just need to scrape off any drips and bring you up for some wet close-ups. This to date is actually my most favourite painting, and it's on the wall in the lounge at the moment. There's something about unity and coming together and how connected we are through the stars. So there was so many things that came up with this painting, and the circular feeling of a galaxy. It'd be lovely to know what you think. And the dried result I ended up varnishing. I don't always varnish my paintings if I'm not going to put them up or give them out for sale, but I did do that in this one. I left it to dry and it dried. You know how sometimes your paintings just don't dry as you want them to, they change. So there it is. I just want to say thank you so much for being here today. I appreciate every single one of you, and if you're enjoying what you're seeing, please do subscribe and pop a comment below as well and let me know what you think. I love seeing your creations, and I'll see you in the next video hopefully. Have a great day. Bye.